I think I do.
Okay.
According to the code, based on logic, non-white is non-white. So all sexual activity between non-white people, all non-white people, is permissible and supposed to be desirable in the system of white supremacy. And as long as that sexual activity contributes to, helping to replace the system of white supremacy with the system of justice. It's just that simple. That's all. The black, brown, red, yellow, doesn't make any difference what kind of, what so-called divisions of classifications, which are really not divisions of non-white people. See, when you say sometimes, the white supremacists add to the confusion by saying black people and brown people. Well, most black people are brown. You ever stop to think about that? I mean, all of us should think about it. I mean, there's an answer to that question. What color are black people? All right? You can ask that question. When we say black, and then we say black and brown, what do we mean? Latino. Sometimes I hear the word Latino. Latino is not a color. Okay? What color is a black person? What color is Adam Clayton Powell? If you're going to personalize it, I don't usually like to do that. I'll use that as an example. Adam Clayton Powell, he was a congressman. If you look at his picture, what color are a lot of black people? Black people come in different shades of color. Anywhere from black, brown, beige, tan, what they call yellow. There's even a term called red bone. What does that mean? All right? Kind of a slang term. But it usually means a light-skinned black person. All right? Light skin. Is light skin white? No. Light skin is not white. It's light skin. A light shade of black. Because black is basic. But all over the world, even in what we call Central Africa, you can find people who are, if you look at them and know what you're looking at, when you look at them standing in the desert sun, and you'll see a person that you say, well, that person is sure enough black. That person is sure enough black. And you can tell by looking at the hair of, say, a black person in what we call Central Africa, standing in the desert sun, when the sun shining strong on that person, look at the hair, and the hair is black, most likely, okay? And then look at the forehead of the person, right under that hairline, and the person's skin may be the exact same color, shade of color, as the hair, and you'll say, that's a sure enough black person. Then the person standing next to that person, all right, probably of the same tribe or the same quote unquote family. And you look at the hair of the person and you'll say the hair is black. Then look at the forehead of the person. The forehead of that person may be brown, if you really pay attention to what you're looking at. Now, so what's the difference between being black and being brown when a lot of black people classified as black, are brown? I mean, we're looking at people all day long that we say, yeah, here comes a black dude coming down the street. What color is that? What color is that guy, coming down the street? Say, oh, he's a black dude, But the person is actually beige. If you just want to be specific, but the person is classified as what? Black. And also what? Non-white. So in answer to the question, non-white is non-white. You're either white or you're not.